Welcome viewer, this video tutorial describes, fix the problem your account has been disabled. Please see your system administrator in Windows 11. Hold Shift key and click Restart. Click Troubleshoot, click Advanced Options, click Command Prompt. Type regedit. Select H key local machine, click File, click Load Hive. Select Windows Installation Drive. Windows, System 32, Config, select SAM file. Type any key name. Open freg binary. Move the cursor near 11. Simply press Delete key and type 10. Click OK and exit Registry Editor. I hope this tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.